go look at the Jubaea chilensis here at Grace Point on Salt Spring Island. So yesterday morning we had snow, and today there's no snow. It's all gone. I don't even know if they had much snow here. It's probably just a slight trace. Jubaea chilensis right there. Looking good. Chilean wine palm. Isn't that a beauty? And all the palm trees here are beautiful. They need a little fertilizer, but other than that, there's the latest ones right there. Hopefully they flourish. Those are my seed grown. Camarops and self-seeded palms. There's another big camarops in here. There's lots of camarops in here. Camarops. Where's the other camarops? The other camarops is in here. Right there. There's a camarops. It's kind of just hiding in there. Been there for years. Anyway, what a beautiful garden. You gotta love it. Gotta watch the irrigation in here. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos here on this channel. Cheers.